welcome back to our Eatery Yangon channel. I am Phoo. Today I am at Phakao Eatery and it is near the Prakano BTS station. So most of the Myanmar people in Thailand, I recommend this area because the area is full of Burmese restaurants. So I will try one of the restaurants. So come and follow me. Yeah, let's go. Over there is Myanmar restaurant, so let's go and check it out. Here, so this is a broad and easy Myanmar restaurant. So let's go inside. We can get various types of Burmese food and Burmese food like mohinga, and Shan food like Shan noodles, and Yakai food like Yakai modi. Also we can get Burmese rice and curries, and also we get Burmese tea too. Yeah. Now I got my order, and this is Burmese tea leaf slash, and we call it in Myanmar lapatam. Yes, and the ingredients are lepa and cabbage and many kinds of beans and peas and garlic, and also include fried garlic and dry shrimp and chili. Okay, let's try it. In Myanmar, we eat a lot of dry shrimp with in it lapato, but here is I can't find the dry shrimp. I don't know why, but I like to eat it with dry shrimp because dry shrimp is really sweet, and yeah, that's why. They give more addition. Chili and garlic. Yeah, but I don't want to eat it. And Burmese tea, it made with condensed milk. Yeah, you can see the white layer. So we need to mix it together. I feel spicy, so I need to drink it. It's too sweet. I like it. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, the price of this is only 50 baht, and it's around $1.5, and this is a 50 baht. So this is only 50 cents. So this is the cheapest Burmese restaurants I have been in Bangkok. Yeah. I like the tea taste. Oh, I saw something over there. Oh, this fish paste, and oh, this is a lime pickle, and this is mango pickle. Yeah, these are the homemade, and they carry from Myanmar. And the price is 90 peso. It's around $2. Yeah. Oh, the best side of Burmese restaurant is a drink shop. So let's go inside. Yeah. Thank you. I got my order. Thank you. And this is my order, and it's made of passion and mango. So let's try it. Oh, this is smoothie, yeah. Here is a lot of mango. So let's try it. The taste is sour, and my mouth is full of, my mouth is really cool. Yeah, it's really cool. I like the taste, the mango taste. The price is 50 baht, so it's only $1.5. Yeah, it's a very reasonable price. So I will explore more about this local area at eatery Bangkok channel. So don't forget to watch it. So bye bye.